Hey everyone. If you're running a Shopify store and wondering how to push it towards six figures, yeah, this video breaks it down into practical, realistic steps you can start using right away. First, focus on product validation. I mean, scaling only works if people already want what you're selling. Look at your conversion rate, repeat purchases, and customer feedback. Next, tighten up your store. Improve product images, simplify descriptions, add clear benefits, and make sure your checkout feels smooth and trustworthy. Now, boost your average order value. Yeah, use bundles, upsells, or frequently bought together offers. This grows revenue without needing more traffic. When scaling, don't reinvent everything. Increase budget only on ads or channels already delivering profitable results. Six-figure stores rely heavily on repeat buyers. I mean, set up email flows like welcome, abandoned cart, and post-purchase follow-ups. Next, build brand trust. Yeah, consistent design, clear messaging, real reviews, and a professional-looking store make scaling much easier. Watch your numbers closely. Focus on profit, not just revenue. Monitor conversion rate, cost per acquisition, and customer lifetime value. And that's the roadmap. Scaling a Shopify store to six figures isn't magic. Yeah, it's about improving what already works and making smarter decisions as you grow.